guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun if I did DIY birthday gifts for birthdays and or holidays, since birthdays and holidays are coming up. And if you guys want to see a DIY holiday video, and let me know by liking this video or commenting down below. These gifts are pretty easy, and for the candy one, you just want to customize what the person can have. My best friend is allergic to gluten, or not allergic, she's sensitive to gluten and deadly allergic to peanuts, so I kind of had to go to what she likes and what she prefers since it is her birthday. But these gifts are completely customizable and really awesome. I might add that I got most of my stuff from either Michael's, Target, or Five Below. I got the candy from Five Below, and you'll see what I got from Target and Michael's. So without further ado, keep on watching. Okay, starting off with this birthday bento box, I got this box from Michael's. I think it was like $2.99, $3 maybe, and it has 8 compartments, so I just filled it with 8 different candies, and I filled with all of my friend's favorite candy, and she it's kind of hard to shop for because she is gluten-free and peanut-free, so I just had to be careful that she can have this, and it's pretty much an easy DIY. In case you forget someone's birthday, you can just make them this out of their favorite candy, add like a little thing, and it's basically done. So my 2 favorite candies right now are Almond Joys and or Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. They're so good. Comment down below which candies you guys like, and let's start a conversation about candies. I had to take some candy out right here because it was a little bit too stuffed, but after that I just closed it, and that's pretty much it with this first DIY. Next is this DIY birthday card. I just took a ruler and then I flipped the paper that I got from Michael's to the other side so it wasn't on the image, and then I just traced along whatever size you want. I kind of made it small. I don't know what size since I wasn't measuring. I just needed a straight side or straight edge. You can use a book if you don't have a ruler, or you can use like a tape thing that has like a straight side. Next, you want to go ahead and cut your paper out. Next, what I'm doing is just I'm folding this piece of paper so it's like a card, if you know what I mean. You can just see the picture, but you just want to make sure you fold it, and then you want to press along the line so it's nice and flat. Next, I am just taking this white cardstock paper, and I got this paper off Michael's, and cutting it so it fits along the card. And after that paper is cut, I'm just writing happy 20th birthday with an exclamation mark. After cutting it, I'm just taking the piece of cardstock and I'm gluing it down, but I actually had to put tape on it since it was not sticking to the cardstock, the balloon cardstock. I don't know why, but yeah, make sure you just play around with it, make sure it sticks nice and secure. After, I'm just adding a message to the inside of the card, and yeah, you can see what I wrote right here. And the final part to this card, I'm just writing I love you in this kind of like destroyed marker because it was kind of faded out, but I actually ended up liking it. For the next DIY, I went ahead and opened up Spotify, and I just searched up the song Best Friend by Rex Orange County, and I saved the album cover. After downloading the photo, you want to go ahead and open up Pages, Google Docs, whatever you have, and then inserting the photo into the document. And I'm just messing up with the size and make sure it's kind of small. You don't want to make the same error and print it again, so make sure it's smaller than this. After that, I just opened up Apple Music and screenshotted that, and then just cropped out the album cover, and all I needed was this part. I'm not sure what this part is called, and I went ahead and saved the image. That is very important. After saving the image, you want to go ahead and open up Pages again or Documents and insert the image, and then just mess around with the size. This is kind of like the perfect size. I don't know what size it is, but you can look it on the screen. Just really want to play with size, and I inserted the image down from the previous image, if that makes any sense. To do this DIY, you just need the following items displayed on the screen. You want to go ahead and cut these 3 images out of the piece of paper. So here I'm opening up the clear phone case that I got from Five Below, and the paint markers that you see on the screen I got from Target. Next, I went ahead and taped it down, and with a red paint marker, I just read the words Rex Orange County. I kind of wish that I got an even smaller fine print marker, but I'm not sure if they sell them. Let me know by leaving a comment down below, but you guys can see what I'm doing here. Next, I am just tracing everything that I haven't traced with a silver marker. You can definitely trace it with a white marker, but I didn't find a white marker with a fine point, but it's super easy. I think you can use paint, but you might need a couple layers if you use paint and a small thin paintbrush. Next, I'm just taking Mod Podge and a paintbrush. Next, I'm just taking the paintbrush and the Mod Podge and dipping it, and I got both of these at Walmart for pretty cheap, and I'm just placing it all over the phone case to ensure that the photo sticks. Next, I am carefully placing the photo to ensure that it lines up when I place it. Next, after placing the photo, you want to secure the paint so it doesn't scratch off by placing a little bit of a Mod Podge in the places where the paint is. Notice how little I'm putting on it because I don't want to have the whole thing. I just want the paint to not come off when I touch it or when it drops. And I'm using glossy Mod Podge instead of matte Mod Podge. The final DIY is DIY earrings, and you'll need fishhook earrings, 6mm jump rings, a charm of your choice, and pliers. I got everything off Michael's and I already had the pliers at my house. Go ahead and grab the jump ring and open it with the pliers. I'm pretty sure they're called pliers. This was a little bit difficult to do since they are pretty small, but you just want to take your time. I started shaking because it was so hard to bend open. Next, you just want to grab your charm. I got this off Michael's, and you just want to connect it with the earring, and you also want to connect the fishhook earring to the little jump ring. connecting, you want to go ahead and close it. I was having a little trouble with this because it is so small, but just take your time. And this is what the earring should look like. I'm going to go ahead and do the second one off camera, but it just takes a little bit, but it's super cute at the end. This is what both earrings look like. Surprisingly, they're not that heavy. They're actually pretty light, so it's easier to wear. To package these earrings, I just grabbed this box that I had laying around the house, and I put some tissue paper inside so it's a little bit more stuffed. And I grabbed these like iridescent flaky unicorn skin, and I just placed it to make the packaging a little bit more prettier on the inside. Once I place the unicorn skin glitter, I just put the earrings in, as you can see. To package everything up, I just got this bag of Target and I started adding everything up, but first I had to open it up. I added the candy that we made. I got this candle that smells like tropical punch and is super good. I highly recommend it. After this, I'm just inserting the card that we made together and then the phone case that we made together, as well as the earrings. Once I'm done with the bag, I'm just going to take this tissue paper that I got from Target. I thought it was super cute with the silver stars and the bag, and I'm just going to place it with the bag so it looks more stuffed. Alright, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell. I'll film her reaction next week, so stay tuned for her reaction of her opening her gifts. It's going to be a vlog, since I'm really excited. So, I'll see you guys next week. I love you so much. Good damn bye.